My tomato sauce tastes exactly the same as the one which comes in a tiny jar and very expensive. I promise it tastes exactly the same. I am never gonna buy those jars again. It takes exactly 10 minutes to make, and just very simple ingredients you have in your cupboard, I'm sure, except for one which I think it does make the difference. This is a pepper paste. I use it a lot in many things. I buy it from specialist shops or online you can get it. It's not expensive, lasts for ages, and you use it basically everywhere where you would use tomato paste. This adds intensity, richness to the sauce, as well as color, of course. I always buy a sweet one, but you can get a hot one as well. I use quite a lot of garlic in this sauce. It's up to you. I don't think you can overdo it. And so I grate it and I start it in a cold oil, and I use quite a lot of oil here. Chopped tinned tomatoes, not even the best quality, just the regular ones. Cook garlic for only a couple of minutes. Do not overcook it. Then quickly add your pepper paste, tomato paste. Cook everything together for a couple of minutes. You need to cook your pastes for a better color a little bit. Once the tomatoes are in, it only takes 10 minutes for the sauce to be ready. I use my biggest frying pan and I cook it on a high heat. Some salt and 2 teaspoons of sugar. To your taste, and some Italian seasoning. Of course, you can use curry powder or ginger or whatever spice you like at this point. Let's make it Italian style on this occasion. This proportion is good. I tried to double the amounts and made the sauce out of 2 tins of tomatoes, but then it takes much longer for the sauce to be ready, to reduce it to the right consistency, and I like it to be quite thick. I always keep a jar of it in the fridge. Use it on your fish, on your chips, on your meat, on your beans, just with bread, with pasta. It's just super. Enjoy.